In this video I want to show you how to import clips into Premiere. Right now I'm in titles mode. I'm going to switch over to assembly mode, and I'll give that a second to take effect. And in assembly mode, my project will be much larger. This is where I'm going to import all of my audio, video, and any still images that I might want to use. So with this, I find the folder where I have all of my clips, and I can do this several ways. If I know I want every one of these clips, I can click one on the end, hold shift and click one at the beginning, and then select them all. If there are just several that I want, I can click the first one that I want and then hold the control key while I select the others and drag them in, or I can just drag one in at a time. I'm going to go ahead and import all 5 of these, or 4, I guess I only selected 4. And I get my import clip that I can add. And that's as difficult as it is, as easy as it is, I should say, to import clips.